Well, before it's set, let's still need to hook this thing up. This is just how I have to get it running because there's something wrong with the battery in it. But we're gonna be testing out my 4-wheeler after it's been sitting for like at least 2 or 3 months because I ain't been able to drive it since it's been so cold. But today it's a pretty nice day. It's like pretty warm. It's really windy though. I mean, it was earlier. It's not really windy anymore. Oh.
Whoops.
My helmet hit the floor and it fell off. Take this off. Can't do it with that on. For that. And it's not running. These things crank right up. And I noticed, because earlier I was on it too, I noticed like the first time I cranked it up in a while, it was squeaking real bad. And when I was driving it, it was squeaking, it was very annoying. So I just decided to hammer it. And I hammered it and I was moving the back like this and it stopped after that. Yeah, I'm gonna see if he can go mudding just as good as he used to.
Okay.
I'm gonna try not to get dirty. Don't get stuck because it's been a while since I've done this. And it's rained a lot, which has filled this up. It almost done. It almost done. It almost put up in one more mud. I did that. I started rattling. I mean, you hear that?
I hear it.
It's not supposed to do that. It started doing that after I did that.
Uh-oh.
I think I broke it again.
You set too long, or you set it too long in the shop.
And look, come here. This right here started rusting real bad.
Uh-oh.
It's rusty.
Yep.
It's because I drove it through the mud after before I parked it. And just got some water on it and rusted.
Your seat's broke?
Yeah, when I was pulling up there, I stopped because I looked down and my seat broke.
Oh no, go show Dad. He might can fix
I
it.
can still ride on it.
Everything's falling apart. The tire swung it all over me. The tires, oh, you're covered in mud.
But it should wash off.
Somebody's got to wash off.
Hey guys, check out my dad's new mower. I don't know much about it. We got it yesterday, I think. I got to drive it, and it's a lot faster than his other one. It's a lot more easier for me to drive because I can actually reach the pedals. Because all you gotta do is grab these. It's a lot more newer than that one. You gotta put in the password to crank it.
You want to show him the old one?
Yeah.
In comparison?
It's got a flat tire.
New one. Kind of dark in here, but.
Here's the old one. The tire's flat. All the tires are flat. And now it runs. Let's see what it's got. Like no gas. It's got a little bit of gas in it.
Oh well.
Pedals.
Now you can easily reach the pedals?
Yeah.
I don't know about easily, but you can reach them.
Slap it down on the. There's the new one.
Yep, the new one. Looks a lot better.
A whole lot better. Okay, so how you drive it is these things. You pull it forward, you can go forward or backwards. And this one controls that tire, and this one controls that tire. And if you put them both together, they go forward. You put them both back, they go back.
Awesome sauce.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.